Yo, 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 what's going on, Pyro Nation? Now, I am bringing you guys another demo of some artillery shells made by Big Fireworks. As you guys can see on the box in front of you, it says whistling artillery shells made by Big. And this is the box. It says, yeah, whistling artillery shells, warning, shoots flaming balls, carefully read, blah, blah, blah. It's got a pretty nice little graphic on the box here. And, here's the side. Not really too much on that side, but once we flip it over here are the effects. Now, as you guys can see, they are made by Big Fireworks. We have a red looking deal, gold, and silver. Now, I'm guessing there are 3 of each, considering this is a 6-pack. So we are going to go shoot a couple of these off and see what they sound like. Now, guys, these are whistlers, so it's definitely something new for me. And now we are going to jump inside of the box, guys. Now, this is what the box looks like on the inside. This is the launcher that it comes with. So it's pretty thick. Not too bad, but it's a pretty standard, you know, cardboard launcher, plastic bottom. And these are what the shells look like, guys. So yeah, we're gonna shoot off 2 of these. I'm probably gonna do just at random, but there's the shells, guys. So yeah, now on to the light, fellas.